What's up, guys? Crypto Savvy here. Today we're going to do a little tutorial on RSI and how to find divergence, both hidden and regular divergence, and what it leads to and you know what it does. So it's going to be a real quick tutorial, real basic, guys. All you got to do is learn the basics and then, you know, build on it yourself. You'll get better as you practice. Don't get ripped off paying for these guys that charge you to teach you basics when you can find it free all over the internet, guys. Everything they're making you pay for, you can find for free. If they're that good at trading, they wouldn't need to be selling courses. So don't pay for their lavish lifestyles, drug habits, gambling habits, all that. Learn on your own, guys. You're not going to watch someone's video and become a pro. It comes with experience and actually doing it. So I just want to get that out there. I hate seeing people get ripped off. So if you're new here, you haven't already, definitely don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You can tick the subscription button on the lower right hand side of the screen. Tick the notification bell to get you notified when I post videos, as I do post videos every day. I usually post updates every day on Bitcoin and Litecoin, but I won't be doing that for the next few days. But these tutorials, a little short series of them, will be posting one a day. So and also I want to remind you guys, we have a free Discord group, awesome community, guys, lots of people in there from all over the world, all different skill levels, helping each other out. It's a great community, guys. If you love crypto, you like just talking about crypto, or want to learn to trade crypto, learn to chart, definitely think about joining. There's a link to that in the description below the video. There's also some other links down there, affiliate links that really help the channel out if you guys use them. Check them out. There's some exchange links, browser links. Yeah, just check them out. If you can use them, awesome. If you can't, no big deal. But yeah, let's get into the video and check out some divergence. All right, guys. On the screen, you see I have a cheat sheet. It's a divergence cheat sheet. It's just pretty much a generic one, not a whole lot of detail. Enough to get us started. Like I said, I just want to give you guys the basics, and then you got to do the footwork on your own to get better at it. And we'll, like I said, each day we'll be doing another tutorial on something different, just the basics. So let's first we're going to look for the bearish. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up, guys, if it helps, and leave your comment. Let me know what you think of the video and if it helped you out. So the first one we're going to look for each one of these. I did not go through the charts and mark it off, so I'm going to look for it while you guys are watching. So the first one we're going to look for is bearish divergence. And in a bearish divergence, you get higher highs in the price action, lower highs in the RSI. So we're going to open up a bear chart and look for bearish divergence, and I think we got some right here. So if we look right here, we're getting higher highs in the price action and getting lower lows in the RSI. Higher highs in the price, lower highs in the RSI, bearish divergence. And we had a correction after that. That was from 9100 down to about 7400. So definitely got a nice correction there. Bearish divergence, guys. Obviously, see what happens when bearish divergence forms. Expect a drop down. Now, next one is bullish divergence, which is lower lows in the price action, higher lows in the RSI. See if we can find one of those in there. And again, this is bearish divergence we're looking for, and I think I may have found some. Yes, right here it is. Remember, it's lower lows in the price, higher lows in the RSI. It's real confusing. That's why I suggest you definitely get one of these and leave it on your phone or your whatever you're using, your laptop, your desktop, whatever, but definitely keep one around because it can get confusing at times. But there we go with the lower lows in the price and higher lows in the RSI, and then you can see what happened. That's why it's bullish divergence. So let's see what the next one is. Man, I found those quick. I hope I find the rest of them that quick. Hidden divergence. Lower lows or lower highs in the price and higher highs in the, this is hidden bearish divergence. lower highs in the price, higher highs in the RSI. Lower highs in the price, higher highs in the RSI. That is hidden bearish. Let's see if I can find an example here. Not really finding anything yet. Yep, right here. Believe so. Lower highs in the price. Nope. Oh, this one might be a little more difficult to find. And it should be before a dip if we are able to find it. Lower highs in the price. That is not it. I am not seeing any. Let's go into the 1 hour. Might be easier to find in the 1 hour chart, maybe. Sorry guys, maybe I should have looked for this before. I thought it'd be a little bit easier to find, but some of them aren't quite as easy, obviously. Yeah, almost, not quite. I don't like that one. Here we go. Lower highs. No, that's not it either. Huh, this one's gonna be kind of tough. Let's see. Well, we could probably go all the way over to the bear market. That might help. Oh, this almost was. Not quite, though. Wow, this one's a lot tougher to find. But I do definitely want to find one. Maybe I should have looked for this stuff beforehand. There we go. No. Whoops. Too much going on. I should have looked for this before, I suppose. Hidden. That's one I never really look for, so maybe my eyes just aren't trained for it. Yeah, I'm not seeing no lower highs. Not seeing no hidden bearish divergence here. Yeah, just not seeing it anywhere at all. There we go. Wow, that took a while. Sorry guys, but there's lower lows or lower highs in the price action and higher highs in the RSI. Actually, we could go all the way from this peak here down to here. Lower lows in the price action, or lower highs in the price action, higher highs in the RSI, and that's hidden bearish divergence. So look at it and you see what happened after that. It had a really big drop after that. Went from 4,600 down to 3450. So yeah, there is the hidden bearish divergence. Now next is hidden bullish divergence. This is one of my favorites. This is probably, for me, it's the easiest one to find, I think, and it's one of the most powerful if you ask me. So looking for hidden bullish divergence. It's probably all over in the bull market. Let's see, hidden bullish divergence. Where's some at? Should be quite a bit of it in here. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna go back to the 4 hour and see it right here. Is that, yeah, right there we see some going from, again, we're looking for hidden bullish divergence, which is higher lows in or hidden bullish divergence, I'm sorry, and it's usually in a downtrend. That's not right. Sorry about that. I believe we're forming some today, actually, if I'm correct. Probably better to find this in the bigger time frame, but you can find this in all time frames, guys. Like right here, a definite hidden bullish divergence here. Oops. So this is the hidden bullish divergence right there. Lower lows in the RSI, higher lows in the price, and you can see what happened after that. And that was one hell of a move. Yeah, that went all the way from 8,900 all the way to our 13.8. So yeah, that's hidden bullish divergence. Like I said, that's one of my favorite to find. It's just awesome at telling you when a move's coming. It's a pretty damn good indicator. Trying to look for some more real quick, but I'm not really seeing any. This gets really confusing especially when you're looking for it all like that. But yeah, that's a pretty good example right there, guys. That's hidden bullish divergence, getting higher highs in the price and lower highs. And I usually call this the RSI resetting, because as the price is not going down like the RSI is going down to reset for another push up, because it can't just keep pushing up without resetting and coming down. So when the RSI is coming down and resetting, and the price is either just staying sideways or, you know, slightly going up, but the RSI is going down, that's resetting the RSI for another push up. So keep that in mind when you're looking for these. And again, guys, it gets real confusing. Make sure you got a cheat sheet. Now, this is something I don't really look for that much. I guess I need to start looking for it and just kind of see, but we'll look for these in a chart. This is exaggerated divergences, and this is the exaggerated bearish divergence. As you can see, it's like a double top in the price and then a lower, so you get, you know, the same high on the price, but you get a lower high on the RSI. Let's see if we can find one of those. Let's look for like a double top somewhere. This one almost, not quite. This one a little bit. I don't know if those would really count. Like I said, I don't really look for these ones much. I guess I don't know if they're not as common, but this one's this one here is pretty close. I guess that could be considered exaggerated. That's pretty much straight across there. And then if we look at the RSI, it's getting lower highs. RSI is getting lower highs, and both of these peaks are the same. And then obviously you see what happened. That was from 8,400 all the way down to 65. So that was a definite bearish indicator. I'll definitely have to start looking for that one. I guess you could still consider that hidden bearish divergence. Same thing. Pretty much gets the same effect. You're obviously getting a lower high in the RSI, telling you that it was most likely going to correct down. So now we have the hidden, or the exaggerated bullish divergence, which is just the opposite. It's two equal lows in the price and a higher low in the RSI. So let's look for two equal lows. There's one right there, a small one. And what was it? Yeah, higher low in the RSI. So this probably, yeah, right here, this would work. So right there, we have straight across lows. And then if we look at the RSI, we're getting higher highs. So that would be exaggerated bullish divergence. And as you can see after that, we got a huge move up. So yeah, that's a little bit on the RSI, guys. I hope that helps you out. Like I said, I'm just going to keep it real basic and simple. If you don't do your own footwork and learn hands-on, it's not going to stick as well, but that'll get you started. Something to look at and, you know, practice with. Start looking for divergence. And I will be releasing another tutorial video tomorrow, so definitely look out for that. And yeah, if you liked the content, definitely give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think. Click the Crypto Savvy logo above my head to get you subscribed to the channel. Tick notification bell to get you notified when I post new videos. Smash likes, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Take it easy.